Number 1. Stop chasing those who don't chase you. Number 2. Stop begging for attention. Number 3. Stop oversharing. Number 4. Call out disrespect immediately. Number 5. Don't eat more of someone's food than they eat of yours. Number 6. Limit visits to those who don't reciprocate. Number 7. Invest in yourself. Number 8. Stop gossiping. Number 9. Think before you speak. Number 10. Dress to impress. Number 11. Be a go-getter. Number 12. Value your time. Number 13. Leave relationships where you're not valued. Number 14. Spend money on yourself. Number 15. Be a little mysterious. Number 16. Give more than you take. Number 17. Don't overstay your welcome. Number 18. Treat people how they treat you. Number 19. 2 call attempts are enough. Number 20. Be the best at what you do. Respect yourself and others will follow.